Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about functions in PHP. Functions in PHP are defined segments of code that can be repeatedly executed after being declared. They aid in enhancing code organization, promoting reusability, and reducing repetition. For instance, a function calculateArea can be created to calculate the area of different shapes, such as rectangles, circles, or triangles, allowing the same code to be used multiple times instead of rewriting it for each shape. By calling the function with specific parameters, like width and height for a rectangle, the area can be effortlessly calculated each time the function is invoked. This exemplifies the efficiency and practicality of functions in streamlining PHP development. Functions in PHP are created using the function keyword, followed by the function name and optional parameters within parentheses. The function body containing the code to be executed is enclosed in curly braces. For instance, a function named calculateArea could take parameters like length and width to compute the area of a rectangle. The function definition would look like PHP function calculateArea length width, area equals length to width, return area. Upon calling this function with specific values for length and width, it would calculate the area of the rectangle and return the result. The provided code snippet defines a PHP function named greet that takes one parameter, name, and outputs a greeting message using that parameter. A specific name, John, is then passed to the function greet as an argument, resulting in the output, hello John, to be displayed. In a real-world scenario, this function can be applied in various situations where personalized messages or greetings need to be generated dynamically based on user inputs. For instance, within an e-commerce platform, this function could be utilized to welcome users by their names when they log in, enhancing the user experience and personalizing interactions. When calling a function in programming, you write the function's name followed by parentheses with any necessary arguments. For instance, calling a function named calculate that requires two numbers would look like this: calculate 5, 10. If a function returns a value, it can be stored in a variable. For example, if a function named add returns the sum of two numbers, you might store the result in a variable like this: int result equals add 3, 4. Alternatively, you can directly use the returned value without storing it in a variable like this: count multiply 2, 5. Functions in programming accept parameters as input values for executing the code enclosed within the function. These parameters supply the necessary data to the function for processing. Additionally, functions have the capability to return a specific value using the return keyword. This returned value can then be utilized by the rest of the program or stored in a variable for further processing. For instance, a function to calculate the area of a rectangle could accept the length and width as parameters and return the calculated area value. This feature of parameter acceptance and returned values enhances the versatility and reusability of functions within a program. In the given PHP code snippet, there is a function named add that takes two parameters, a and b, and returns their sum. Within the code, this function is invoked with arguments 5 and 3, and the result is stored in the variable result. Finally, the value of result, which is 8, is echoed to the output. This code demonstrates a simple use case of defining a function to add two numbers and then calling that function with specific arguments to obtain the result. Such functions are commonly used in programming to encapsulate reusable pieces of code that perform specific tasks, enhancing code organization and reusability. In a real-world scenario, this kind of function could be useful in various situations, such as calculating the total price of items in a shopping cart, determining the sum of scores in a quiz, or aggregating numerical data in a statistical analysis tool. By encapsulating the addition logic within a function like this, developers can easily perform addition operations in multiple places within their codebase without duplicating the logic. Think of a function in PHP like a recipe in a cookbook. Just like a recipe, a function takes in certain ingredients, input, and follows a set of instructions to create a specific dish, output. You can reuse a function multiple times, just like you can use the same recipe to make the dish again and again. If you want to make a similar dish with slight variations, you can modify the recipe function without having to start from scratch. By organizing your code into functions, you can make your program more efficient and easier to understand. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. In the provided PHP code snippet, we demonstrate the use of functions using an analogy of recipes to easily understand their purpose and functionality. 1. A function named makeSandwich is defined with parameters for filling and dollop of bread, mimicking a sandwich recipe. When called with specific ingredients, the function constructs a string describing how to make a sandwich with the given filling and type of bread. This function encapsulates the sandwich making process, ensuring reusability and clarity in the code. Example output: for a ham sandwich with whole wheat bread, take 2 slices of whole wheat bread, add ham, and create a delicious sandwich. For a cheese sandwich with white bread, take 2 slices of white bread, add cheese, and create a delicious sandwich. 2. Another function named bakeCake is defined with parameters for flavor and icing, resembling a cake baking recipe. Upon invocation, the function assembles a string detailing the steps to mix ingredients, bake a cake of a specific flavor, and decorate it with a chosen icing. This function encapsulates the cake baking process, promoting code reusability and maintainability. Example output: for baking a chocolate cake with vanilla icing, mix ingredients, bake a chocolate cake, and decorate it with vanilla. For baking a lemon cake with lemon icing, mix ingredients, bake a lemon cake, and decorate it with lemon. By leveraging functions in PHP, developers can modularize their code, enhance readability, and economize efforts by using predefined logic blocks when executing tasks such as sandwich making or baking cakes. Just as a cookbook provides a structured approach to cooking, functions in PHP serve as recipes that guide the organization and execution of code operations. In the real world, one practical application of functions in PHP can be seen in e-commerce websites. In an e-commerce platform, functions are extensively used to handle various operations, such as processing payments, managing inventory, calculating discounts, sending email notifications, and generating reports. By encapsulating these functionalities in separate functions, developers can make the code modular, maintainable, and scalable. Another industrial example where functions in PHP play a crucial role is in content management systems, CMS. CMS applications like WordPress heavily rely on functions to handle tasks like rendering templates, processing user inputs, managing user permissions, and executing database queries. Functions help in organizing the complexity of managing content on a website efficiently and effectively. Across the globe, developers leverage the power of functions in PHP to build robust and dynamic web applications that cater to diverse industries and user needs. These functions act as building blocks that streamline the development process and enhance the overall performance of the applications. In conclusion, functions in PHP are not just code structures, but powerful tools that enable developers to create sophisticated and feature-rich applications in various domains. Their versatility and functionality make them indispensable in the world of web development. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.